Today we will learn about Siemens-Hartmann boiler, and this is a high pressure boiler, and the operation of this boiler is similar to an electric transformer. Two pressures are used to effect an interchange of energy. So firstly we know about the main components of Siemens-Hartmann boiler, and this is the combustion chamber, this is the hot valve, feed pump, feed preheater, water drum, this is primary evaporator, this is non-return valve, primary separator, evaporator drum, primary circuit, pressure gauge, secondary circuit, superheater, superheated steam to prime mover at outlet from the superheater. This is air preheater, this is blower, and cold air enter from this section, and here air preheater that is connected to the combustion chamber at its outlet, chimney, and these are the exhaust gases. So now first we know what are the function of these components. So as we know, the air preheater is used to preheat the air with the help of flue gases. As we know, the flue gases or exhaust gases, they move from bottom to top, and before entering into the combustion chamber, and basically it increases the efficiency of the boiler. As we can say, cold air enter from here, and when passes through the air preheater, it gets the heat from the exhaust gases and it becomes hot air, and its outlet it enter at the bottom of the combustion chamber. And this is superheater. Superheater basically it is used to increase the temperature of saturated steam. The saturated steam generally not good because it possesses the corrosion. So superheater is used to increase the temperature of saturated steam that is coming out from the evaporator drum. And this is the evaporator. In evaporator, here from the getting the heat from the burning fuel and from the flue gases, here water is converted into the steam. Majority of the water is converted into steam, but here are some portion of the water that remains here, and this is the primary separator. Here the steam and water is there. So now we discuss the working of Siemens-Hartmann boiler, and with